Dumelang bana ba ko hai. I hope le sharpo. Why is that? Yeah, no. Because A, the devil works overtime, and B, for some reason, I decided I wanted to add highlights to my Love Me hair wig. This is currently my favorite wig, mind you. Highlight. I also wanted to see if it can take bleach. So, vandaag, that's what we're doing. But let me not waste your time. Let's start the process and then let's see what the final results are. I hope lampona because kita lu black mara before thoma guys thoma ka thapelo le se fela mo I shem yo kitsuhile mara re tlo etsa mo wampona ne ke batla ba professional. I got this highlighting kit from the Stan Hair. I bought it at Clicks, and then I also got the foil. I got 2 foils for the hair. Got that section so, and then section A go ira di zigzag ka yona so a ke tope yotlhe a ke bete bleach mo yona yotlhe ke beta bleach mo piecing in. Then yo di glafo tse ke tsona tse di kompolaisa yeah do that. Then ke beta bleach mo so a re beteng bleach ya mathomo modimo wa ka. First time ke berekisa di foil ke le butseng bana ba go hae go re withe ka mo ke ratang ka teng ke tsela I'm going all out. So first one, no coming back. Also no boa yo ketile yo katung Wabona mo ne ke tshwere pelo ka lenala mara I continued. So I used the very same method to apply this all around my head, but at some point I got very overwhelmed. Ile fo ile go tlhakatlhakane ke sa itse re kireng bathong. Guys, I don't know where to touch and where not to touch. Things are falling apart. In Luyawa, 4:10. I am fucked. There's just a lot of hair, and yeah, I'm struggling, but I'm soldiering on because I've started. But a serious 4:10 is happening right now. I think I'm running out of dye. I think I'm running out of bleach. Kuri is just kumnyama kushushu kubi. I'm just trying to finish at this point. I think I'm gonna take these ones off, ne? They long for the color more because I think I like this color. So it's gonna keep and then I'm gonna leave the ones that are fresh in processing. And then this is how the wig looked after I removed all the foils. Mo niki thola wait ke e ke nahana ka I blew it ke re benia phimo yo ngwele, but I just soldiered on because I obviously had to go wash out all the bleach in the hair. I actually thought I fried the wig, to be honest. Mara mudimu palabaloi bana ba ko hae. We continued on, and then I went to go wash it. So I was using this purple shampoo, and then I was also using Tresemme shampoos to wash my hair. I started with that purple shampoo, then I used the Tresemme shampoo. It smelled so good. It's this coconut shampoo, and I washed and rinsed it a couple of times, and then finally I used the conditioner. And the conditioner I left it in for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I washed it off. So let us go see the final result. No going back. Daile. And this is how the result looks. And first of all, I am utterly impressed, okay? Firstly, it's still soft. I was like, love me. So it was still very soft. And ha ke shebeletse mo face value, I think hore dilo di tsamaile sharp. So re tla no bona ha re apara bana ba go hae etse dilo tse dingwe ke di mo ifan fero o tla re di pila kgante ha o tlo di apara o tlo bona mathata. But let's put it on and see if it is giving what's supposed to give. Modimo tle ke o kopa papa Jove nka se o leke hape a some believe khopela wiki e no ba sharp nka se tlhole ke phapha ke daya di wiki for no reason. Yo, okay. Okay, first of all khopela ko leng kotong khopela o nthapelle a some believe khopela o nrapelle or o mfastele a gitse o khola eng mara so se kholang fela khopela o sire in this moment re be le face ba botlhe bana ba go hae a ke hani. You've probably gonna watch this video after the situation has happened, but I feel like every single prayer, even the future prayers, are very useful more. So are you're now no buirileng. Okay. One toe. Agna gubula matlo. What if you bet? Mañana. Okay. Arbe serious. Okay. I am looking like I'm on the beach. I live at the beach. First of all, I live in Miami, California. Places like that. Let's see. And it is so soft. I have not added anything. But one thing I think the curl pattern it's a little bit looser now than the one LA. Ooh, but look at this girly. She's so pretty. Okay. Guys, ke a le rata lona dithapelo tsa lona di strong. Aisha dithapelo tsa rona di strong bana ba kwa hae. Yo, look at this hair. I love how they came out. It's a little bit lighter than I wanted it to be, truly honest. But I'm not mad. Matter of fact, I'm very beautiful. I'm not mad, hey? I feel like it's a little bit dry. So I went to an event and I got these Tresemme products. So I'm going to put this Tresemme keratin oil on there. Let's see. I'm going to put this keratin oil. It's a smooth keratin oil. I've never used it. So I usually but side note but ke feel like ke influencer nyana these days, wait. I don't get PR packages that influencer. My ke berekisa bo di Tresemme. But ngwana o fitlhile o arrived. Ke gira di brand partnerships tabo body love me, you know, like guys, I feel so relevant. But yeah, let's add a bit of it there just for shine. I can show her how much I'm supposed to add, so I don't want to add too much. I'm just gonna add a little bit, like two pumps. It smells so nice. I just added 2 pumps, and then it also kind of reduces flyaways. Apparently they say it reduces flyaways, and I can see hurmiriri in all the flyaways. And then also as a side note, I feel like I should give the San hair a little bit of a shout out because the highlighting kits are fire. This highlighting kit, for a moment, Mara Yamputa, and it did actually highlight, and it highlighted quite fast because Kahopola more the front hair. I was actually worried it's gonna be too light. I had to take it out before the other one, but I mean, who's mad? I'm not mad at this. I am not mad at this. So obviously I'm gonna try and add a little bit of mousse for the curls. Maradze, I actually prefer the curls this way, to be honest, right? I prefer the curls like nice loose curls, you know. I'm gonna use the same mousse I gave the last time, but I really don't like this mousse because the last time my hair had a lot of like white fluffy residue so I get to in, but I have no other moves, so I'll just use your again. I am loving this new curl pattern. Like, obviously it's not as defined as the previous curl pattern. I think you could look at a picture more. When I first got the wig, this is how the curls look. Obviously I see they're not as defined, but sesupila. So if you were on the fence about getting Luvme hair, you know what, guys, ne? I will actually recommend it. I will keep recommending it for now because wow, this wig is giving vibes. It's giving vibes. It's giving the it girl, you know. I think I prefer it more, got that fluffy look, not this curl defined look. I actually prefer it because I'm fluffier look, but I'm still not mad at it. Can you imagine this in a longer length? Like just matching when in a hane fela skirt, in a hane ka long length huri utle volume kai baby. Yeah, I have nothing else to say, guys. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I think it will let it 10 million times. See, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget I have a 10% off discount on Luvme hair, and Bona, I will easily give you that discount because I think this is actually worth your money. So my 10% discount is Nombi 10, and then everything you buy you get a 10% discount. I will drop the link on my bio, so you can, I'll drop the link on the description. Let's say Instagram. I'll drop the link on the description where you will see the link to the Luvme hair shop, and then when you check out, just use my 10% discount. You know what? I have nothing else to say, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Kaale, guys. You know what? You've been giving me so much love. I appreciate you guys for seeing me and recognizing me. Thank you, guys. I will see you on the next one. Okay. Bye.